Your daily bread is the result of a long and artisan production process in 7 steps. In step 1, the wheat, rye or spelt is harvested. Threshing separates the grain from the straw and sifts it from the chaff. Step 2 is the milling of the grain to make the flour. The next step is mixing the flour with yeast, salt, improver and water to get dough. Step 4 is dividing, rounding and proofing, sheeting, curling and molding the dough. This is the major domain of WP-Haton, with all the equipment needed, for example the Instant Plus line we will show you in a minute. But first, let us finish the process of making bread. The bread can be decorated with a knife or scissors or by adding seeds. In step 5, there is the final proofing for 60 minutes in a humid and warm climate. Then the bread is ready to be baked in the oven. At last, after cooling down, the bread is ready for slicing, packing and shipment to the consumer. But let us return to step 4. WP-Haton is proud to present to you the Instant Plus line for artisan bakeries, a complete system that takes a minimum of space. The Instant Plus line can produce all possible shapes and has variable speed with a capacity of up to 2,400 pieces per hour. The flour is mixed with all the ingredients to give dough with the required specifications. Then the dough is put into the divider. With the Instant Plus line, you can handle all types of dough, sweet doughs and small weights, premix, instant, conventional and levain doughs, high water absorption doughs. First, we show you the production of an 800-gram loaf based on 200-gram dough portions. The Instant Plus line is easy to operate and very versatile. With the same weight, you can easily make other types of bread. With the Instant Plus line, you can also make small breads of only 50 grams. The line is dough piece oriented and therefore high in weight accuracy with no dough waste. Even small portions of 30 grams are easily handled by the Instant Plus line. Of course, you can also put the round dough portions directly from the rounder on a plate for a different type of small bread. With round dough balls, you can not only produce round bread, but also pita bread and pizza balls, for instance. The knives on the end of the line allow many variations in weight and structure of the bread. So, let us produce a loaf of 500 grams based on dough portions of 400 grams. The knives divide the dough into 4 portions of 100 grams. 5 portions are put twisted in the baking tray to give a special structure to this 500-gram loaf. After production, the bread is baked. The Instant Plus line gives you great flexibility in the production of all types of bread, switching easily from small quantities to larger production volumes. Instant Plus, the production line for artisan bakeries. The Instant Plus line is a very dough-friendly machine. After all, it is made by a very dough-friendly company.